How to add a payment method on Google Play Store. Hey everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can have a payment method added to Google Play Store. First thing you have to do is open up Google Play Store to log into your account. And if you are already logged in, just find the profile icon at the top right corner. Then it will show you this pop-up menu where you have an option to manage the apps on your device, manage settings about the notification you get, and then finally you have got payments and subscription. Just tap on it. Then you have other options here as well. Go ahead and click on the payment method option. And from here on out, you can just add your debit or credit card. Click on add debit or credit. Just quickly enter your fields like your card number, expiration date, the security code. And once you've done that, click on Save Card, and if you have a valid information about your card, it will be added. If not, you can go to More Payment Settings. It will open up on your browser, and you can continue to add your payment method from here as well. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.